I welcome you all to the Brampton Fiesta Extravaganza 2025, the biggest celebration of Filipino culture in this city. It's a celebration of our roots, our stories, our food, and our music, and most of all, a unity as one vibrant and diverse community.
Kamusta po kayo? Magandang hapon. We are at the Brampton Extravaganza right here in Chinguzi Park. Welcome to Jaya, which will be performing in the next hour. If you are in the area or if you had come to this, you've seen that this is a beautiful festival for all the Filipinos. Mabuhay to this festival. If you did not make it this time, make sure you come to the next extravaganza next year in Brampton, otherwise throughout the city. Everyone had a blast. The food, the entertainment, the weather. The weather was a little hot, but we made do. The people, and obviously the celebrities and entertainers. Again, I'm Dr. Ali. Thank you very much. We'll see you next year.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at ako'y nagpapasalamat sa pangalawang taon ng Brampton Fiesta Extravaganza sa lahat ng mga dumalo, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa aming mga sponsors, food vendors and sponsors, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga funders na Government of City of Brampton at Government of Ontario, Experience Brampton, Experience Ontario, sa ating partner sponsor, the City Center Dentistry, title sponsor Amica, Credit Mills, and other major sponsor Luna, Local 183, and Gagnon Wagner Domes Limited, and Toronto Pearson, RLC, TD. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At gusto po namin marinig ang inyong mga comment, mga feedbacks para naman mapaunlad namin lalo ang itong Brampton Fiesta Extravaganza, mapaunlad, mapalaki. Hindi kami po titigil na pagalingin pa lalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at sana po sa uulitin. Nandito po kayo lahat. Ito po si Tommy Digia, ang chairman ng Philippine Faces, organizers of Brampton Fiesta Extravaganza 2025. Thank you.